Hi guys, I'm Dan, an engineer from Circle.cloud, and today we're going to look at network troubleshooting on a single device. So when the device shows a message saying network unavailable, this is indicating that there's no connection between the phone itself and the router. So a good question on the offset to ask ourselves is, what has changed since that message appeared? So for example, was the device unplugged? Was the device moved somewhere else? And these questions can just help us in the further troubleshooting steps we're going to go through now. So moving on to step one, what we want to do is turn the phone around, and we want to make sure the networking cable is plugged into the internet port. And when we do that, we want to hear that audible click there. That's just telling us that the clip is working and that that cable is not going to come out and it's in there nice and snug. Once we've done that, the phone is going to say obtaining IP address. After about 10 seconds, it's going to come back online, and just to make sure we have connectivity, just do a quick test call just to ensure you've got two-way communication on that handset. For step two, what we want to do is trace the cable, making sure if it's visible that there's no damage. We want to trace that to the networking device it's connected to. So this could be either a networking switch, or it could be plugged in directly to the router. So what the switch is, this is essentially just an extension of the router providing more ports, and then the router is a networking device which provides internet for the whole premises. So we just again want to do the same checks we did the first time on the phone, making sure that cable is plugged in correctly. Finally, for step three, what we want to do is determine if it's a cable issue or if it's a device issue. So the easiest way to check this is to take the networking cable out of a known proven working device and then plug that into the device that wasn't coming online. This will help determine what the issue was. If all these steps have not resolved the issue, please raise a service request on the support portal on support.circle.cloud. Alternatively, you can call our support team on 0333 043 6600.